बांगेणी कोयरा प्रकल्प येतलोच. ह्या प्रकल्पाचो सगळ्यांकूच फायदो जातलो. हो मुद्दो कोणे वैयक्तीक घेवचो न्हय. आमदार राजेश प्रकल्पाचो बुन्यादी फातर घालतना आमदार म्हूण आसतलो. पूण प्रकल्प पुराय जाय मेरेनची खात्री ना म्हण मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला. आरडेस्को खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
On what issue I spoke, I had gone for a meeting yesterday for GWMC, right? Who is the chairman of the meeting? The chief minister is the chairman. I am the vice chairman. I spoke actually what was the agenda of the meeting, and of the agenda of the meeting, Bangeni was one of the agenda. On number 4 or 5th was the agenda. So I told you, as I gave you exactly what transpired as far as Bangeni plant is concerned. So what is the question now?
So, but the way he spoke, you feel...
No, I am not here to say, tu me, I am not into that. I am just trying to say, I have spoken the truth. And I have always been telling him, not now, he's been asking me for the past 2.5 years, from the time he's been MLA, and from the time I've been a Minister of Waste Management, and this issue has been coming up as far as the assembly is concerned. We are firm that the plant is going to come. I am just trying to say that I spoke the truth. And there's always a saying, if you speak the truth, you don't have to remember anything. So all this while I have been telling him, the plant will be coming. He's been trying basically to see that plant doesn't come. That is, he's trying to protect his people. I have got nothing to say in that. But what I am trying to say, I have spoken that the plant of the Bangeni treatment plant, waste treatment plant, is coming up in Bangeni. Now, whom he said CM has basically told him that he has cancelled. Now, who was there for the meeting? Who is the chairman of the meeting? Now, I have spoken the truth. हांवें तुका कितें सांगलेलें हांव त्या मिटिंगेक गेलोलो आनी त्या मिटिंगा प्रमाणे कितें डिस्कशन जालेलें त्या डिस्कशन मिटिंगान तुमकां सांगलेलें आहा. Now, what comments who has made, that is not my business, to tell you frankly. And first and foremost, someone should understand that as far as the garbage treatment plant, I was the first one among the 40 MLAs at that time to say, when Parikar was there, to say that put the garbage treatment plant in our constituency, that we can take care of basically 3 constituencies, Panjim, Taligaon, as well as Santa Cruz constituency. But Mr. Parikar had some other thing. And to tell you, let us go back to the history of this. In 2008 or something, there was a meeting and there was a committee when Mr. Dikambar Kamal was Chief Minister and Joaquim Alema was the Urban Development Minister. Under his chairmanship, there was a committee basically to look out to identify the places. I remember there were 2 days actually. In first day actually, they went somewhere to the north on the side. TV or somewhere, Kolin, somewhere they went. That is the time I was present. But the second day when they went, that's the time I was not present. And Mr. Parikar also was, he was an opposition leader, he was a member of this committee. When Mr. Parikar went, that is the time this place was identified. Because I was not even there that day, because I went only in the first day, the second day I did not go there. So it has been pending from then. And in 2017, when Mr. Parikar was the Chief Minister, that is the time he told to hand over the land to GWMC to construct the Bangeni treatment plant. From that time, the process has started.
So he says,
and we had acquired this 2008.
So he says, why Bangeni plant? Why garbage treatment plant? Why not International Cricket Stadium or IT hub there?
You can have International Cricket Stadium also at the site of Bangeni plant. There's no problem.
So now, what is the solution for this?
What is the solution means?
No, but now the MLA, was that the MLA supporting it?
See, what I am trying to tell you, see, there are many people, before he became a MLA, there were many people from the constituency who went to the court, or a residence side, went to the court. This has been decided by the court also, because there was all the permissions, whichever the courts had asked, the requisite permissions were already obtained and produced in front of the court.
So finally it is the government that is going in this.
See, finally it is going to benefit everyone. So I am just trying to tell you this. So no one should get basically personal with me at least. Okay? And my thing is very clear on that decision. I am just trying to tell you, he will be there as far as for the foundation stone. But as far as the completion, I am not very sure.